Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel again. Today I am going to do this reverse eyeliner look, so just keep on watching if you want to know how I did it. So I started off by cleaning my face with the micellar water just to make sure any dirt or anything is just wiped away, and then I'm putting this my primer, and I first of all I prep my skin and I put the Pore Professional from Benefit Cosmetics primer, just applying that all over my face. And I forgot to hit the record button when I was doing my setting my eyes and stuff, so I do that on every video, so you can go and watch the previous video how I set my eyes. So I put a transition shade in my crease and just blending that up and building up the coverage just the way I want. It's entirely up to you how you want the coverage to be. And with a smaller blending brush, I'm taking this green shade and I am just applying in the inner outer corner just below the transition shade. Okay, and I'm just blending that out as well. Just going back in the back in with the big brush and just making sure everything is just blending out together, and I am just building up the color. So I'm doing the same thing on the other eye as well. Now I've taken a darker green shade with the blush. It's like a flat blending brush, and I'm just packing that on all over my eyelids. And also just to let you know that I am using the La Rock Pro Artistry palette, and there was a lot of fallout, but it's been lying there for ages and I want to make use of it, so that's why I decided to use the palette. But I don't feel like there's much pigments are in there, so I just applied all over on the eyelids, and I'm taking this highlighter shade and I applying this glitter all over my eyelids and just cleaning off any mess. As you can see, there is a lot of fallout, so I'm doing this again on the other eye as well and just cleaning up any mess that's there and making sure everything is just nice and blended out. So it's giving us a very nice soft kind of green makeup look, just cleaning up the mess from underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to make a soft eyeliner, so I've went in with a brown shade with the angle brush, and I am just making the eyeliner. Especially people who have hooded eyes, soft eyeliner is really good for their eyes. It just, because of the hooded eyes, the eyeliner can go a funny shape, so it's best to just I usually don't like eyeliner. I usually just go for like makeup eye looks without the eyeliner. But if you do want an eyeliner, you can use an eyeshadow. It will create a very nice soft kind of eyeliner. So I did that on both of the eyes. I put the eyeliner on. Now I am just putting the concealer, or I don't know what's happening with me today. I'm putting the concealer on, just blending it all out, making sure just going in the underneath that liner just to give that sharp look. Okay, now I'm doing my underneath my eyes and applying the kajal all over in my lower lash line, and then setting it, blending it out and setting it with a brownish shade, doing my waterline as well. And I'm going to do that again on both of the sides. And next I am doing my lips. Now I did the rest of my face, and I'm just putting this dark magenta kind of shade on my lips and then filling it in a little bit. And I'm going in with the shade of Bobby Brown, this lipstick, just filling in my lips just to give that ombre effect, and I'm just setting off my face. And this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think of this look. I think it looks very nice, subtle and glamorous at the same time. So do let me know what you guys think. Make sure to like and subscribe.